Welcome back to the channel, everybody. At the time we're making this video, my first service truck video is at about 1,700 views. So that's the most views I've gotten so far on a video. So I thought some time has passed, a lot of tools have been added, truck has been changed some, so why not do an update of it? Just keep everybody more recent. The cab though hasn't really changed, still dirty and piled full of junk, so nothing in there has changed. But in here, plenty of tools have been added. I sell Amsoil, so I always keep Amsoil brake clean with me, which is yours is getting a little low. I need to add some stuff. I even got degreaser up there. I think I showed this door last time without this socket set. This is can't remember, Expert, I think, socket set. This is all metric, starting at 10 millimeter all the way up to 35 or 36 millimeter. 36 millimeter Experts. Very nice, heavy duty 6-point sockets. Highly recommended. Lifetime warranty. I just like his door because it looks so nice. I've got my nice ratchets and stuff. I'm a big Mac tool guy, so I carry plenty of that. Got a whole set of Mac tool screwdrivers in here now. It's pretty nice on top of the millions of other ones. But everything else is about the same. We still got the same guns and everything. Same all that. Check this bad boy. If you're looking for a good pair of water pump pliers, I haven't used these yet. Which I guess they're called other things too. Channel locks, I believe. But I think they're called channel locks. I don't know. I haven't even used it yet, but super nice. I haven't used them. Hopefully will soon. Of course, still got the where are you at? Oh, still got the same air compressor. Got all new lines ran to it. Other ones, the sun and the road salt and everything were eating at them, so got some new ones of them. Got some nice things back here. Super nice set of hydraulic pressure gauges. Obviously you never have enough adapters to get the ports or whatever you want to do, but I at least have the basic ones. A couple different hoses there. Let me get them out here. If you're looking at getting a good set of easy outs, I highly recommend these. I've used these many times. I've only ever had one break on me, but that thing was in there. I don't know, I had to drill it all the way out because I never did get it out, but I've used a bunch of the other ones many a times and haven't broke, haven't gotten smooth or nothing like that. They're just regular old Irwin Hansen multi-spline extraction set. Super helpful. You can if it's somewhere nice, you can get a good breaker bar on it. If it's super tight, and it'll dig in and twist them right out. It's very nice. What else is in there? Oh, if you guys are looking for a good rechargeable treble light, highly recommend these. They're about 100 bucks, but super bright. They have bright settings, dim settings, and look at a big bug. That's crazy. It just fell in the sky. Bugs eating it. It has
looks like a grasshopper caught a bee.
Anyways, it has 2 LED settings, and then if you hold the light, I'm not going to do it because I never remember, but you can get a white light for a real soft light. It's pretty nice, and this thing will flex all the way there. Super magnetic. I mean, you can. I'm probably going to get another one just because how handy it is. It comes with a little hook. It's just called a Streamlight Flipmate. Super nice. Battery lasts all day. I just have the charger plugged in the truck, so it ain't a big deal. I don't see nothing too extraordinary in there. This next compartment is kind of messy, but if you have a service truck like me and you have nowhere to put your welding leads, I used to just lay them in here on the shelf until a buddy of mine come up with the idea. It's like, hey, why don't we take out the shelf and we weld in some brackets? So each side there's a piece of steel going long ways with a hook coming up it. Super handy. And I have them wound up so that the leads go into the welder are on top. So there's only like 3 feet, 4 feet that go up to the welder, and then you're straight to your actual leads. So you don't have that big naughty mess of leads getting tangled up and everything. Super handy, super convenient. I was so glad when we come up with that idea. Like I said, it's just a piece going this way and a piece coming off of the hook. Just line them up on there. So convenient. Got the same Lincoln Ranger 225 welder generator out there. Nothing new there. This is a new add-on. Last video, this was all bent up and beat up. No, the lights were all smashed out. From factory, it's supposed to have one here and one here, but from walking and working on the bench, I thought that'd probably be a bad idea to add some here. So I just added the corner lights. I redid the lights all together. Actually, these are all new LEDs, reverse lights and everything. Makes it look pretty nice at nighttime. Of course, keeping the ladder on there because you always need a ladder. Same vise. If anybody was wondering about my vise, it's still holding up after about 5-6 months of use. Still holding up. Still hasn't rotated or nothing. Still not bad. And here's just my lifting compartment like last time. Got my 1-inch air gun, my 20-ton air jack. I got blocks and straps and all that kind of stuff. Crane remotes in there. Same Tiger, 6541. Still doing a hell of a good job. No complaints. Haven't added much to this. It's still my storage compartment. Last video, my starter was in here. Ended up having to put it on since then, so don't have a starter anymore on hand, but got my AC gauges there. I haven't used them for a while. I was like May, June is in hot demand now. It's fall, so nobody's worrying about AC. Oh, this reminds me, I need to add some buckets in here. I need to start carrying some more. Kind of empty right now, but I got some buckets of hydraulic oil I need to stick in here to have. Forgot to do that. A couple boxes of grease up there and stuff. Nothing too extraordinary out of the ordinary. This is a little bit different from last time. I've got 4 tanks in here now. 2 big ones, 2 little ones, just to get me through. If those 2 are getting low and I don't know it and I run out somewhere, I at least have 2 baby ones to finish the job until I can go get restocked on air tanks. Same 50-foot of torch hose. So a lot has changed, a lot has stayed the same with it. Still doing good. It's all cleaned up. This is probably going to be following up my pressure washing trailer video. So we were testing it out and washed this. One of the first things we washed, and they turned out really good. So if you're in the area and need some power washing, let me know. Number's on the door. You can message me on YouTube, whatever. I'll get you a rate and stuff and go from there. Anything else we were missing? Alrighty. Well, like I said, last video took 1,700 views, so let's see how high we can get this one, guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.